Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell notification so you are notified when I post, and please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So, you guys, I am super excited because I am doing an unboxing. This might have to be a two-part video because I have a lot of products. So, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have purchased, then keep on watching. So today, I do have a little bit of a surprise for you guys in the video. So if you just watch the whole video, you guys will find out what it is. I am very excited about this surprise because yeah, it's just, I'll explain later. But okay, so our first product is going to be, I'm gonna open everything up. I have my little knife situation here, and I haven't opened nothing because I was waiting for this video to do everything. So you guys, whoa, look at this. Why is it bent like that? I purchased, why did it come broken? Y'all, it came broken. Oh my gosh. But this is Brush with the Best Felicia Leatherwood brush, and I'm gonna post the information up here so you guys, if you guys want to purchase, you can. Gosh, you guys, this is like broken, but okay, it's fine. So, as long as it's not a, like, you know, product that actually is gonna spill or anything. So this is what it looks like, and it's kind of like those brushes that you can like, they kind of like go with your hair, I guess. I don't know really. But yeah, this brush feels really nice and I love the color. So I'm super excited to use this, and I'm actually going to be making a video featuring this brush versus my Denman brush, because that's usually what I use to detangle my hair. Not detangle my hair, sorry, to style my hair. But I also heard that you can style your hair with this and detangle. So we're gonna put that to the test, but I'm gonna put this to the side, and I'm going to move on to my next package, which is it's from Soultanicals, and I am going to just open it up. I'm gonna open it up real quick. And I'm actually super excited about this package because I missed, she actually upgraded one of the sizes, and I missed the restock twice. And I was so upset because I never miss Soultanicals when they restock, but unfortunately I did. But I'm happy because I was able to finally get it. So, you guys, this is the, oh my god, it's smaller than what I thought, but it is the Natural Hair Ayurvedic Superfoods, and it's just like a little powder. This is what it looks like. It's a powder. So basically it's a treatment blend, and it helps optimizing hair health, includes strengthening hair regrowth, luster and shine, adding soothing scalp issues, increasing blood circulation, thickening the hair. A lot of good things that I love. The ingredients are Bringash. I'm gonna post them here. I'm gonna put them here so you guys can see. It has amla, neem, ashwagandha, I believe, brahmi, fenugreek, moringa, ginger, hibiscus, and tulsi. So I got two actually, sorry. I got one here, and then let me open up the other one. It's pretty much the same thing, but I wanted to show you guys that I got two. This one looks different. Hold on. This one looks different. Okay, this one is like a clear kind of like jar, and this one's like a darker jar. I believe they're pretty much the same thing, but they just came in different colored jars. So I'm super excited to use these. I'm gonna be featuring these two as well in another video. I've heard so many amazing things about these super blend treatments, so I'm super excited to use these. I am going to be opening up my Nature's Little Secret package. And you guys, I do have an amazing surprise. Let me see if I can open these. Y'all, why is this? Gosh. She does not play about her packaging. Like, goodness gracious. The package is like, no ma'am, we ain't doing this. Okay, so I love her packaging. They always have the best packaging, in my opinion. Look at this. Ain't this beautiful? Like, oh my goodness. I don't want to drop all the stuff, but it's so pretty. So it comes with a little card, and this is what it looks like. It's definitely the packaging for me because, yeah, like, look at this, is so cute. But I'm trying not to make a huge mess here. So the first product that I got was her brand new, so excited. First of all, the packaging, she revamped her packaging, and the packaging is amazing. I love it. It's so, so pretty. So I ordered the new lemon and rosemary clarifying shampoo, and this is what it looks like. The packaging looks so beautiful, so slick and pretty. This is what it looks like. And if you guys don't know, like, her packaging before it was pretty. I thought it was cute, but this right here is beautiful. She made really good decisions with the packaging. I also got the Avocado Moisture Cream. I haven't tried these before. These are products I haven't tried. I tried to purchase things that I haven't tried before, and I'm gonna do a huge like wash day video with Nature's Little Secret because I have yet to use the pre-poo, but I do have it. I just haven't used it yet. I'm waiting for the right moment to film and everything. So this is what the moisture cream looks like. Here you guys go. I'm sorry, you guys. This thing is not focusing. But this is what it looks like. I'm actually going to post a picture up here so you guys will be able to see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Y'all, the Irish Moss Styling Cream, like, it looks beautiful. It looked beautiful before, but it looks even better. Like, y'all, and y'all know I'm obsessed with the Irish Moss Styling Cream. That is bae. And look at, I got two. I'm so greedy. I got two, but whatever, because I know I'm going to use them. And this is what they look like. Oh my god, they are so beautiful. Like, Charnay, you did your thing, girl. This looks beautiful, amazing. I don't even have to open these up because I already know what they smell like. Next up, I purchased her banana leave-in conditioner, and this is what it looks like. And this is let me see. I forgot to mention what size everything was. Ooh, this smell. Oh my god, this smells so good, like a banana, obviously. Let me smell the Avocado Moisture Cream. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells so refreshing. Like, this smells really good. And let me smell the lemon and rosemary clarifying shampoo. It smells more like lemon. It's not too strong though. I love that. I don't like stuff that's like too strong. So those are all the products that I got from her, I believe. Yes, those are all the products that I got from her. And you guys, my surprise is that I actually do have an affiliate code and a coupon code for you guys. So whenever you guys want to purchase anything from Nature's Little Secret, you guys can use my coupon code CURLS15 officially. Yay! You guys, I am so excited. I was able to speak to Charnay. She is amazing. So sweet. And so yeah, I'm gonna leave the coupon code up here, also in the description below, So you guys can use that code and you will help me out and you'll get 15% off. So excited. So yeah, that is all, you guys, for this video. I am super excited to be reviewing all these products and showing you guys how they work in my hair. And if you guys are interested in purchasing any Nature's Little Secret products, please make sure to use my coupon code. I'm going to post it up here so you guys will be able to use it. And like I said before, you guys will be helping me out and you guys get 15% off your purchase. So you guys, this is all for part 1 of my unboxing. I will see you guys in my part 2, and yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.